All right, guys, so the G35, I believe, is going to be leaving us tomorrow, and I got a few things I got to tie up on it today. Gonna fix an AC leak this afternoon on it, replace an O-ring, and I've already painted 2 of the wheels. I've got to do these 2, so we're just gonna sand them down and hit them with some wheel paint real quick to make them look better than they did. So yeah, let's get started. What you doing back here?
Just working.
Working?
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing the editing. Taking a break here, but I got the wheels sanded down.
Sound a little out of breath, Jeff.
A little bit. I got the Red Bull though.
Breathing on that mic like I usually do. Yeah, so I apologize to like the viewers if you ever hear a lot of heavy breathing and Jeff's in front of the camera. That's me. I'm fatty. I'm out of shape. But Jeff's getting me in shape by making me walk all over that damn place. Oh, yeah. Following him all around the damn town.
You want to go to the junkyard today? we've got to walk every single road.
As long as we got a golf cart.
That way no bugs can get in it.
That's why you're bringing it in the house?
Yeah, just let it dry in here. This laid down a lot better than the last one, but this paint, you have to just lay it really heavy. But you gotta be good at painting, otherwise it'll run really easily. But I got no runs. It laid down pretty good. In my opinion,
it looks spectacular.
Justin thought they looked good when he came by yesterday. The 2 that are done on the car. So
Jeff is really hard on his work. That's what he strives for, perfection. So sometimes Jeff will be like, don't show that. When I, and most of you would probably be like, that looks awesome. Because he tries to be perfect with everything he does. On all his cars, all his work.
Not every time, but most of the time.
Every time.
I just want to be proud about what I'm doing.
Is anything in the way?
I didn't put anything in the way.
So what happened?
I don't know.
We're haunted.
I don't work on garage doors. I have no clue.
I think we're haunted. Where are we off to now?
To borrow an AC machine.
Borrow.
I mean, we're not taking it.
Just sitting there.
Really is a good looking car.
Focus.
So basically, we're just saving the Freon that's in here instead of just wasting it and going buy more. We're gonna pull it over into that machine, fix the leak, and then push it back over in.
Jeff's just lucky because he knows people that allow him to use such a expensive machine. These things are like a couple grand, aren't they?
Yeah, they're a lot. Probably new, maybe $6 grand.
Yeah. Cars we could build with that kind of money. Instead of spending it on an AC machine.
This one right here. See where that green is coming around it? I got under it and I could see the green running down the side of the case. So that's how I knew it was that one. Come off of there. That's gonna do it. Notice it's a little fatter. Usually the green ones are just a pinch fatter, so they got a better.
Nice cold AC. Perfection.
I like this out in the sun. Yeah. We were trying to figure out what it was pulling up, and I was like, I heard the clutches, and I was like, that's Johnny. Yeah. He's like, oh. Yeah, but your other bike. So which one's faster? To buy the first car, and he's the reason I'm like this. This high standard shit. He was getting on me. Man, I spread these wheels and I'm perfect. So how do you do this? Dial like USB or something?
When are we gonna get you on a bike?
I don't know about that.
I tried a while back.
Yeah, I had one for 4 days. They're not for me. I'm better in a car.
4 wheels, huh?
Yeah. It's also like this. Like Johnny set the bar so high. You haven't seen his other bike. Like he set the bar so high. If I was gonna get a bike, I'd be peasant status right off the bat. Nice. Well, you smell it's got race gas in it. Yeah. It smells like sweet tarts.
Jeff, wait, what are you doing now?
Fixing to change the oil in my truck. Some jack and jack stands and all that crap.
Move right under. Was it that color before?
Oh, she's here.
That color before, was it?
It was black. She wrapped it.
Oh, it's wrapped. Okay.
That's why we're doing pictures.
Oh, okay.
Looks good.
It does.
I like the color.
You like that? Of course, that blue's a little similar to something else.
Yeah. It's bright.
Yeah.
Looks good.
So now, after that photo session and a gasket for the old drain plug, we can get back to this guy. The Tahoe.
Ooh. Easiest way.
Tight.
This is the worst one.
Still looks good. On camera.
So terrible.
This guy just perfection. Oh my god.
I could do better.
Well, anyway, that's it for this vlog.
Yep. Goodbye. Have a beautiful time.